Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Julie, and I have a good news for you. Maybe this is a good news for you, or this is not for you. We have a CNA class. CNA is Certified Nursing Assistant. This paid program, guys, is going to be in our facility, Rosewood Healthcare Center, at 1911 Oak Park Boulevard in Pleasant Hill, California. If you are nearby us, maybe you can join us. You want to be a nursing assistant, certified nursing assistant. And this opportunity, guys, you know, the classes, the class of the certified nursing assistant is at least $2,000 to $3,000, and the company will pay for it. And if you are you are one of our students, you will get paid while you're in the class. And this program, guys, at least this class is lasts for at least 4 to 5 weeks. It depends, but it's more like online class. I have to vlog it, guys, because today when I'm trying to vlog it, it was very noisy in the facility. Paging, there's a lot of paging. I have to stop it, and it just don't have good information. Anyway, our enrollment is next week already. Next week, April 23. Don't forget, April 23 is our enrollment. Okay, and we have orientation April 28 and 29. You have to come to our orientation, because if you are serious with this program, because they're gonna guide you what website you're gonna be in, because this is more like when you are theory, you are going to be online class, and clinical, you are going to be in our facility, of course. It might not be of this program, it might not be for everybody. Please, if you don't have a caregiver motivation, because this certified nursing assistant, it's involved with assisting nurses, like you are taking vital signs, that you are assisting the bathing, bed making, transferring patient, dressing a patient, comb the hair, and bed bathing, and all about caregivers involved. Okay, so the good thing about caregivers before and now is, before we don't have a left, guys. We don't have a Hoyer left. We don't have a standing left. And that's what we did before. We were training by basic bodily transfer. Bodily transfer, like one person transfer, or 2 people transfer. Is now, if you wanna transfer with 1 person, meaning the person can assess health by themselves. So if you are 2 people transfer, facility is never, it says like 2 people. If ever 2 people transfers, guys, we have to Hoyer the patients. Hoyer is, you will know that kind of transfer, because it's considered total. So this CNA involved with transfer. I'm just letting you know about transfer. So yes, it's all about caregivers, guys. You will learn as you are in the class. It might be different when you are in actual class, and you will see the videos, or you want to see how the theory is going to be in your class. But when you are in the floor working as one of us, you're gonna do your own time management. You have to manage your time. You have to learn manage your time, because it's very important to manage your time as well. Yes. So anyway, certified nursing assistant, this is your good opportunity, because as I said, the company will pay for you, and they will pay for your hourly as you are in the class. Company, guys, Rosewood again, Rosewood Healthcare Center, located at 1911 Oak Park Boulevard in Pleasant Hill, California. And this message brought to you by your staffing coordinator, Yoli. I'm your staffing coordinators, guys. I am your staffing coordinator. I'm your scheduler. Yes. So come and join with us. See you then. Thank you.